Hello again, my local cross-group networking friends, and welcome to AI and the Future of You on our brand new ETV channels. You can now quickly and confidently learn the great discoveries with AI inside, right here on our local ETV global media channels, because everything is new with AI inside, including YouTube and local cross-group business networking, which is now also new with AI inside. Let's get started.
Hello again, all of my friends in commerce on the AI Super Campus of the Great Discovery. And today I'm going to tell another one of my favorite AI love stories. This is where I get to super serve and super share to show the world how much I care about something. That's what AI love stories are all about, is sharing what you really, really love, what you're really, really passionate about. And I am passionate about storytelling about the things that I really love. And I love, among other things, Patch Media. This is hyper-local digital news in my hometown, Lafayette, California, and it's called Lamorinda because we have three towns. We're all kind of gathered together like a family of little cities. I'm going to share an AI love story about Patch.com, one of the places that I host my free AI Super Camp. So I host it on YouTube, I host it on Patch Media, I host it on The Great Discovery. Today I want to ask you a question about rich or famous. Pick one. What do you want to do? Do you want to become famous or do you want to become rich? Because it is a lot easier to become rich than it is to become famous if you are willing to take the road less traveled. If you want to become famous, go out where everybody else is and hope for the best. Good luck. I've helped an awful lot of my clients become rich, not necessarily famous. Some of them have become very famous as well. But I've learned over the years, I'm not famous, but I have become rich. Now, that is what I want to help people do to gain financial freedom and to learn to take the most persistent path to cash if you want to gain riches in your life, security, more time with your friends and family, all the things that most people really, really want. They kind of hope they could become famous along the road, but, that doesn't happen for that many people. It's a real roll of the dice, and, good luck with that. Taking this path will not prevent you from becoming famous, but it will increase your odds of becoming rich on your path. It really depends on where you put your focus. So what I want to do is I want to super share, because this is what I love doing, how to use AI automation to tell stories, especially AI love stories, where you get to super share. And what I want to do is I want to concentrate on how this can all be done and benefit your path to short-term cash flow, while also focusing on critical global challenges such as world hunger. That's what our Nourish and networking events are all about. And this is very important because nobody cares what you know until they know how much you care. So it's very, very important that you show people that you actually do care by super serving in some way and promoting that maybe as your AI love story about what you are really, really passionate about. A couple of friends of mine that I'd like to give a shout out to is Ron Horry, who's absolutely passionate about his company, FinFit Life. And I'm sure he'd be happy to tell many, many love stories, AI love stories about FinFit Life. Same thing with my friend realtor Stephanie Maroney, who absolutely loves and is passionate about Benicia, California. And I'm sure she has many, many AI love stories that she can tell about Benicia. And Patch is the one place that all of us can come together to share our AI love stories on Patch, Benicia Patch, Palo Alto Patch for Ron, and then we can have AI love story watch parties on Fridays at 8 a.m. Pacific time. That being said, I always love to super serve and super share. So as I'm telling my stories, I like to serve you by demonstrating exactly how I have created a step-by-step work week that is the steady Eddie, most persistent path to short-term cash flow. So I always go to ChatGPT networking to put in my thoughts for the day, get my prompt to put into my explainer course creator called Gamma, and I will put a link to this. I am an affiliate of Gamma. It's only $15 a month. They do have a free version. I want to show and tell you about this because it's not just about technology like Gamma. It's got to go beyond the AI technology. It's got to be about your ability to super serve and super share to show the world how much you care. And this is about the heart, not the brain, the heart of business networking AI. So let's get started. I've already got my prompt copied. Now I'm going to paste it right here. There you have it. Now you're going to see a modern media miracle. This is me. I'm Mike Hayes, and I tell and share AI love stories for the heart of business networking AI. And now I'm going to show you right before your eyes two modern media miracles. One, stop struggling to create an outline for your course when you can do it in an AI second right here. There it is, done. And this is just the start. Wait, there's much, much more. Now I can customize it right here. I can even choose what kind of graphics or artwork I want in. I can customize it in multiple ways. All I have to do is click continue. And then I can decide over here what kind of format I want. And I have multiple templates to choose from. I always like to choose a simple one because I like to put the focus on the left side over here on the content. It's not a matter of the cult of personality. And that's why I say I like to take the road less traveled. So what we're going to create is something that Bill Gates describes as creating virtual substitutes. Well, we're going to create a virtual high-rise building on the left here for coaching and training. And it's a way I like to do a value comparison about stories that'll take you from the first floor of our virtual high-rise all the way up to the penthouse view. So let's generate it right now. Take a look at this. Now, what you've just witnessed is about a minute of time, but I call it an AI minute. So if you are in business with what you've just seen, doesn't it just make common sense that your competitors are going to be using this technology to be able to create and tell stories faster about what they love, what they're passionate about than you are, unless you adapt your company to be able to integrate the power of AI into your business. Let me just show you. Here's our high rise over here on the left. It's about transformative impact of AI love stories. It's about leveraging online news media and social platforms. It's about the power of multimedia storytelling. It's about connecting the heart of business networking with AI. It's not just about the intellect. It's about super serving and super sharing your passions. It's about sharing AI love stories on YouTube to promote my love affair with Patch.com, where I host my free AI Super Campus. It's about posting and promoting AI love stories in multiple places so you can super serve and super share. It's about promoting the free AI Super Campus all over, because it's about checking in and reaching out, the 5 words that will take you anywhere you want to go and get you anything you want to have. It's about today's AI love story with LaMorindaPatch.com, hyper-local news media, and promoting it on YouTube and promoting our YouTube channels, our YouTube stories on Patch Media. It's a very powerful 1-2 punch. So AI love stories are just about sharing your passions with the power of AI. But wait, there's more. I also love teaching directory response networking using local business directories for unlimited leads. And we talk about reaching out. I'm going to be sharing an AI love story with Mail Softly, which has AI software built inside of it and provides free email marketing assistance. So let me show you how we can create a website for all of this instantly. Okay, here's the website. This is a fully functioning website. I can create a domain for this, drive traffic directly to this website. I can have a form in it. I can customize it. But I want to keep this short and sweet. This is today's AI love stories at work, sharing passions with the power of AI. I hope you'll join me. So please, let's keep the conversation going. If you're watching this on YouTube, please click on the link below. If you're watching it on Patch, please click on the YouTube video inside of this free publicity and free advertising for the AI Super Campus, because this is where I love to host my AI love stories about Lamorinda Patch and about my city of Lafayette, California. Let's connect. Click on the More button right below this video. Thanks. I'm Mike Hayes.